Hey, creative minds, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into Adobe Illustrator to master a super cool text effect, inverting text along a curved path. This technique will take your designs from mundane to mesmerizing. First, let's get started by creating a shape. I'm making a circle, but you can choose any shape you like. This will be the guide for our curved text. Next, grab your type tool and click and drag to create a text box. Type out your desired text. For this tutorial, I'll use the word curves. Now, let's curve that text. Select both the text and your shape. Go to the type menu at the top, and then choose type on path. Select type on a path. Adobe Illustrator will automatically wrap the text around your chosen shape. Fantastic! We've got our text curved now. Here's the magic: we're going to invert it. Select the type on a path tool. From the toolbar, place it near the text path. You'll see a line with a small perpendicular line at the beginning, middle, and hover above the center line. You should see the arrow cursor change into an arrow showing horizontal curved arrows. Drag the cursor and watch text being inside the line. This will invert the direction of the text along the path, curving it inward. You can adjust the position of the text along the curve by dragging the beginning and end handles of the path tool. Experiment with different shapes, fonts, and sizes to explore the many possibilities that should enable you create beautiful typographic design. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to invert text along a curve in Adobe Illustrator. This opens up so many creative doors. Practice with different shapes and texts. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.